Hello, Professor Sargent here with you again. We're going to take a look at applying information about the distribution of the sampling mean. In other words, the sampling distribution of X bar. The current book that I am teaching from, this is in section 8.1, and some important points to make are that we find out that if you take all the simple random samples of the same size, all simple random samples of the same size from a population, and find X bar for each of them, that the mean of all those X bars, you see it right here, that's going to equal the mean of the population, where you've added up all the individual scores, the X's, and divide by how many are in the population. So the mu of X bar is equal to the mu of the population. And the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of X bar will equal the original standard deviation, sigma, divided by square root of n. That is regardless of the shape of the population distribution. However, if it was in the population normally distributed to begin with, then we already have that the sampling distribution of X bar will be normally distributed. Furthermore, the central limit theorem tells us that as you deal with increasing sample sizes, that regardless of the shape of the original distribution, eventually, with larger sample sizes, then the sampling distribution of X bar becomes approximately normal. And we look for that sample size to be at least as big as 30. Now let's start taking a look at some questions.